All right, today my little guy wanted to bring a rainbow cupcake creation for our playdate. So I've made some white icing with my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe from Martha Stewart's test kitchen. Seems to work pretty well for me. I'm going to whip it one more time now that it's cooled a little bit. And then instead of coloring all, 7 colors of the rainbow or so, I have just colored my piping bags. So I've stuck our little toothpicky thing into the color. Now I'm trying to make purple for the last one, and I don't actually have purple in my box of colors. So we're going to take some pink. Let's see if I can videotape this while I'm holding the phone. All right, one-handed. See what we can do. All right, I'm taking the toothpick, putting it inside of my piping bag. I've rolled it back so that I just have the end exposed. And I'm going to rub it all around. I can't really see while I'm holding the phone. All right, so I've rubbed it all around the inside of that. And then I'm going to take the blue out of my blue one here. See, I've already done blue. And I've got some still left on the tip. We're going to mix that around in there with the pink and hope that we get purple. And then I'm going to fill these up with icing, and we'll come back and show you the colors. Okay, so here are my piping bags all filled up with icing. We don't need very much because we just need to do one line for the rainbow. And here's some white for our clouds. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then this one is going to be both indigo and violet. I didn't have any purple, so we tried to color mix, and I'm interested to see how this one turns out. So over here we have our cupcakes that we baked yesterday. They're just funfetti box cupcakes. And here I have our baking tray that's lined with parchment paper that we're going to do our design on. Go. All right, so first we're going to start with our clouds. I'm going to cut the tip, and we start with what we're going to see. So we're going to put a little bit of icing on the bottom to make everything not slide around as much. Don't take pictures of faces. It's going to be a faceless channel. All right. All right, we're going to make clouds. And on this side. Okay, just a minute. Make our clouds a little bit
poofier.
Good. All right, and then our red. Now I've got the color in the tip. I'm going to carefully cut this off. This is going to put some color on our scissors probably.
Mm-hmm.
And then I might want to make it a little bit lighter than that.
So red.
Yeah, make sure that you're videotaping properly.
Color.
Make it big.
No.
All right. We can go back over it.
That's not orange.
It's not orange, buddy. Not too orange.
Just a minute.
Oh, I think I know what you're doing now.
All right, we're just going to use it.
We're making a rainbow.
All right, here's our orange. I'm going to push some of the color out of the tip this time because I'm going to cut it all off. Well, you're the camera person. So
Oh, I have no experience.
Right, and then right up in here.
I'm the giver person.
Sponge.
Oh, it's so orange, but it looks so red.
Well, it's orange, buddy.
It might have worked better if it was a little bit colder, but it's been sitting for a little bit. So,
What
no, a
kind
little
of
bit.
icing? What kind of icing is it?
This is Swiss meringue buttercream. All right, here's our yellow.
I find it fun to make.
Mom, don't worry. Mom.
Just a minute, Bob.
Mom, that looks so green.
Yeah, it does look green at the beginning. Don't touch it, please.
It's not done yet.
Don't worry, because it has none. Mom, look.
Okay, red.
Oh, that's
Orange, yellow, then green.
that blue.
Why did you
and this indigo violet.
Why did you put the color in the tip instead of just mixing it in?
How do you explain that?
But still, I actually
Because
don't.
we have no
Oh,
purple.
because I didn't feel like doing it like that.
Okay.
And the blue.
It works really well with meringue puffs.
Yeah, maybe if I mixed it with a little bit of icing before I put the color in the bag, it might have turned out a little bit better. Right, and this is our question mark one. I'm not sure how this color is going to turn out.
What color is it meant to be?
So I don't have purple, so I mixed some blue and pink.
Oh.
To make purple. Blue and pink makes.
So it's like a bit of a plum. And then a pink. Oh, that's actually...
Oh, that's actually pink at the end. It's actually pink at the
Some of the
end.
holes. All right, and now what we do is we take our cupcakes.
Oh, you're doing a
And we-
cupcake cake.
It's going to be a pull apart. So then you can help me have you back up a little bit so that we can see. We're going to put them all as close to each other as possible. Okay?
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Or maybe like this.
This way.
No, but it has to be flat.
Yeah, put one right in the hole there. Yeah. Squish it down only a little bit, not too much squish.
What happens?
Here,
It ruins
you
it,
gotta be
buddy.
careful to put them very close to each other. So here. How about you hand me some cupcakes?
This is a spot.
So we're gonna put our tray on top, upside down, and we're gonna flip everything over.
And see what it looks like.
And let's see how it turned out for our play date.
Oh.